Howdy. What I have here today is a Corbin padlock. It's a brass padlock, 40mm brass, hardened shackle. These are very solidly made locks. You can see it's made in Italy. Very narrow keyway, more toward the paracentric style, prohibiting easy access to the pins, so you sort of have to get the pick in at an angle to get under the pins. So I sort of do it that way. I use a bent windshield wiper insert for this one. Some of these are very difficult to pick. I have a couple of them that are very difficult. This one is a little more straightforward because the binding order is fairly sequential. So I'm just going to work front to back on this one. There it is. It's your Corbin 40mm padlock. Thanks for watching.